He serves up delicious dinners at his Volt restaurant in Frederick. But it's the first meal of the day that has Chef Brian Voltaggio in front of lawmakers in Annapolis fighting for funding for school breakfast programs.
You know, there are students that don't have opportunities at home. And so when they come in, they shouldn't feel ostracized. They should feel like they have the same opportunities as everybody else. Childhood hunger is a problem in this country, and it's something we can easily end. And I think that the lawmakers felt hopefully empowered to make a change.
He's been named Chef of the Year and was a finalist on the 6th season of Bravo TV's hit show, Top Chef. While he's a big-name chef, he's also a father of 2 and knows the day does not go well without a good breakfast.
College, and I want to make sure that, you know, all children have the same opportunities as hopefully mine will, to have a really wholesome breakfast before they start school, and meals throughout the day, of course. I mean, meals are, and food and nutrition is one of the most important things and a key factor in successes of students in school.
Chef Brian supports in-class breakfast programs like this one at Cecil Elementary School in East Baltimore. The school is a model for others.
The day starts much better when we have a good breakfast. Many of our children may not have that opportunity for a variety of reasons. This provides every child the opportunity to have breakfast, start their day off right.
Teachers serve breakfast inside the classroom instead of the cafeteria so students can grab their food and pick up a book, immediately focusing on academics.
For my students, they look forward to the breakfast. They know it's going to be here. They come to school happier knowing that they're going to get a little something in the morning. I get a lot more good mornings. Good morning, Ms. Gonzalez.
The School of Breakfast program is available at schools across the state, but according to a study by Maryland Hunger Solutions, in 2011, 2/3 of U.S. middle school teachers said they taught children who regularly came to school hungry. The reality is children face many barriers preventing them from having breakfast, like late school buses, tight morning schedules, and socializing in the hallways instead of eating breakfast in the cafeteria.
We have students that maybe at home are not having breakfast for whatever reason. And now they know that they'll be able to do that and get the breakfast. And I think it's a great way for the schools to be able to deal with that situation of students not being able to have breakfast in the morning.
Students admit they feel much better with a good breakfast.
I like it because it gives you energy, and also when you're inside the classroom and you eat, right after you eat, you can get right to work and you don't have to be mad or rushed.
I like the school breakfast program because I have enough energy in the morning to do all my work in class.
New initiatives provide schools with tools, money, and resources to help them change the way they serve breakfast so more kids can participate. Schools that take part are reimbursed for the meals. It's federally funded and administered nationally. But in 2011, the state missed out on more than $8.5 million in federal funding because of low participation.
Attendance levels rise sharply from students eating classroom breakfast. We also see things like climate in the school improving as a result of students eating classroom breakfast. We see less visits to the health suite. We see more focus.
And so far, it's working. In September, there were 12 schools with classroom breakfast programs. Right now, there are 25 schools with it and 17 more that agreed to give it a try.
There are many kids in Maryland and students in Baltimore City schools who don't eat breakfast and don't get a good, healthy meal. And so this is an opportunity to help more kids.
So thanks to a big name helping to spread the word and with the proper tweaking and encouragement, educators can get breakfast into the classrooms to give students the essential nutrition they need to succeed in school. Cherie Johnson, ABC 2 News.